My mother said I was a good little girl. I did get in a little bit of trouble. That's the way I heard it. All those tree climbing events and so on, I'm sure just wore her out. She said, "You're fine, go." But I was always stubborn, but not in a bad way. I never wanted my way if I thought it was wrong. And when I was 16, I went to see Funny Girl. Now, just kind of do one of those pictures backwards. Imagine 16. Same height. Same nose. Same eyes. Little different hair. I earned this one. And when I saw that movie and I heard Barbra Streisand deliver this song, I said to myself, one day I will sing that song. And you know what? It took me almost 30 years to get up the courage. I hope it wasn't unfounded, because here it comes. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and sputter. Life's candy and the sun's a bowl of butter. Don't bring around a the rain on my parade. And don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spin, it's me, it's not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? Oh, it's my band. I'll beat my drum. And if I find out you're turning back soon, at least I didn't fake it. So guess I didn't make it. A feather on the rose of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, a Cinderella shiny apple of its eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right?